Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to do some jumbo knotless braids on yourself. This is my first time attempting this hairstyle, so I'm so excited for you all to see how I got to this part. Okay, so if you too want to know how you can achieve jumbo knotless braids, you guys know that all you have to do is just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we gonna get ready to do these braids. I washed my hair last night and just parted it into sections. So now I'm finna actually like do it. That braid out would have been fire. My hair is still wet, but whatever. I'm gonna it'll be okay. And for anybody who is new here, I do not blow dry my hair when I'm doing my own hair. Like if I was braiding somebody else's hair, yes, they definitely need to come blow dry it, but when I do my own hair, no. Alright you guys, we're just going to jump right into it. So to me, the hardest part about doing braids on myself is the parting. So what makes it easier is I just split my hair down the middle and then I work on parting one side and then I go over to the other side and try to mirror. I also think that for me, using a wide tooth comb and then cleaning up the line with a small tooth comb helps to perfect that line. But also when I'm doing my own hair, it is what it is. If it's good enough for me, I leave it at that and keep going. Depending on how big you want your braids will depend on how many rows and how many braids you do. I was going for a jumbo, so I think I had like a total of 3 rows in the back. And then I started that first row off with 3 braids. I did the parting for the middle the same exact way, but it was blurry in the video, so I didn't show you all. So I'm just going to show you how I start braiding it. Alright, so it's important that you have enough jam, braiding pomade, whatever you're going to use. Make sure you have enough of that to coat the base of your hair, and then you want to make sure you comb that through so that it's evenly applied and everything is sleek. Next, I'm going to start off by braiding the hair, and after the second loop is when I add in the feed-in hair. The feed-in hair is going to go between the pointer and thumb finger that the hair is holding. And the outside piece I put up because when I'm braiding the back for gripping purposes, it's easier for me to grip when the hair is underneath. So one piece is going to go with the middle, and then the last piece of that feed-in hair, I'm going to pull my hair down and add it to that, if that makes sense. I realized that I was kind of moving quick in this portion, so I can't really explain the way I want to, but I did slow some other clips down. So if you don't quite understand what I'm saying, maybe the slowed down portions will help. Alright, so this piece that's on the outside, I'm going to pull that up. Then I'm going to take the feed-in hair and I'm going to put that between the thumb and the pointer finger. So basically one portion is going to go with the middle part, and then I'm going to pull my hair down and then start braiding again.
Nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, just pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you left me. basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. I shit off when you top me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we think we're reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we think we're reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
Quitting my job, I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by night, then all past 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, and I got my new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul.
I took a nap. Now I'm back. Finishing my hair. I just did this one braid right here.
Release the anger, release the mind, release the job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest. Release the anger, release the mind, release the job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest.
Wings in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. Then we back outside. We said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation, and I got my new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Oh, baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, everybody, we go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost in town, searching for love. Looking for something.
Alright, here we go. So we're starting off with a regular plait, and then I'm going to take the hair that I'm going to be feeding in, and I'm putting that between my pointer and my thumb finger. One tail of the braid is going to go with the hair on the outside, and one tail is going to go in with that middle piece, and then you just braid it in. While you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're pulling the hair so that it is tight as it can be, because with the knotless, of course there's going to be less tension. So you just want to make sure that you're pulling it so that it's as tight and neat as it can be. So again, I am putting that between my pointer and my thumb finger. One piece is going to stay with the pointer and thumb, and one piece is going to go on the outside, and then you just braid. So in total, I added 4 pieces of hair in. The last piece I added about a quarter of the way down, and it was smaller than the others because I wanted my braids to be a little bit longer. Please don't play with me on no day. Play with your mammy, not me. Purr. Big purr.
surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we was more than just a muffling. I said farewell, you took it well. I miss the crowd, just spilled milk. Give me a hour, give me another vow, give me another hour or two, hour or two.
Hey you guys, so this is the final look. I really love the way that my hair turned out. As always, I think I've said in multiple videos that usually when I do my hair, in general, I like the way that it looks. So of course some things could be straighter, but this is my first time doing like knotless for real, especially on myself. I thought I was liking the side part, but now that I look at it, I think I like the middle part better. But yeah, this took me longer than what I needed to. Not really, because I took a break, I took a nap for like an hour and a half, and then literally like after every braid I was so exhausted, or after every part I was exhausted, that I would stop for like 20 minutes. So it didn't take me long in general, but like as much as I stopped, that is what prolonged the process. But yeah, as you all can see, I added some colored pieces. There was more in the front, but I liked the more like sleek all black look, so that's what I did there. I took one of them out and just made it all black. Altogether I used about like 5 bundles of braiding hair. So yeah, it just depends on how much you want to feed in, how thick you want them or how thin you want them. That's how many packs you'll use. So yeah, I really love the way that this hairstyle turned out. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you and talk to you all on my next one. Bye.